Thank you for coming back to Nora's Housekeeping channel. In my previous videos, I picked 3 reasons to choose the particular housekeeping tools. This time, I'm gonna introduce the special tool that I don't even need to pick up for 3 reasons because this tool targets a very niche market with almost no competitors. Today's tool is the sheet tucker. Quite a unique shape, isn't it? When we make beds, we usually lift up the mattress and tuck in the sheets by hand. There are types of beds that are very tough to tuck in. Have you ever seen this type of bed? This is a platform bed in which the mattress is enclosed in the bed frame. The mattress fits in the frame too tight to put fingers between the mattress and the frame. Please look at this video. I think there are a lot of housekeepers who have scraped their fingers. Of course, I did many times. It doesn't hurt much, just it sores bad when washing hands. Anyway, the sheet tucker solves this issue. Please look at this video. It's obviously different from the first video. It's much easier, faster, and beautiful. You can make a beautiful bed with no wrinkles with this. It also works for sofa beds and sofa covers. Before I got this sheet tucker, I thought cardboard or ruler could be substitution materials. As a result, they didn't work well. Cardboard is not strong enough to keep using, and the ruler has sharp corners that damages the sheets. It also hurts to grab. Look at this sheet tucker. It's thin, but very hard. The rounded corners never damage the sheets, and the handle part is thicker so that the hand doesn't get hurt. If you have to make a platform bed or sofa bed pretty often, you should get this tucker. The speed of making bed is totally different. When one of my coworkers injured her arm, she used this for the regular beds. So if you got injured or your mattress is too heavy to lift up, this will also help you. The details are in the description box. I bought only one for myself, but I recommend you ask your coworker who wants it and get 2 sets for 1 pack, or get 10 sets for 1 pack if your workplace wants to get it as a work supply. It will be much cheaper than buying one each. Thank you for watching. I'm planning to talk about towel art in my next video. See you soon!